Okay, guys, I wanted to show you something cool. So this is ArcCaptain, and this is a new plasma machine that they have, and this is their CUT55 MP right here, CUT55 MP. Now, this is a really cool package they sent me, and what's fun and unique about this is the price point. This is right now on sale. It's under $400. This is just released, so they're having sort of like a like a early release or early buyer sale, and it's $100 off right now. And if you use the code I'll have in the link, you'll get an additional 5% off of that sale price. Now, this plasma cutter, this is pilot arc first of all. So pilot arc means you don't have to touch the part to make the connection and then pull off to get your arc started. Pilot arc means you could be above the part and hit it, and it's going to fire the arc and go. Okay, so it's pilot arc. It's also not a high frequency, which means you can actually use this machine on a CNC table. People have done it. I've seen videos already. People are starting to play with these. So it's a plasma cutter, which you probably know kind of what a plasma cutter is, but this also does gouging, which is something really, really cool. Gouging used to be something that you considered not really able to be done with a plasma. You would do it with a torch, and that would be like, say you had two pieces of metal and you put a weld bead between them or whatever it was. For whatever reason, you need that weld gone. You can gouge that weld out with a torch. Well, you can gouge that weld out with the new ArcCaptain. This also removes surface rust from parts. We're going to be showing you that also. So this video is the unboxing, showing you the machine. And then we'll get a little bit more in depth on the next video in a day or two and show you exactly what it does. But ArcCaptain, for less than $500 without the sale price, less than $400 with the sale price, sends you a package with a machine that's going to do everything, have everything that you need to set up and go. You'll need your own compressor, of course, but there's no gas required. There's nothing like that. Like with torches, you know, there's a lot of cost involved with having the gas. Just like all their welders, all their equipment, ArcCaptain always does send you with the manual some stickers. Great for toolboxes and other things, right? This is going to be all of your accessories required for setting this bad boy up. So let's go ahead and open it up. Give it a quick look. Oh, look at that. Again, this is considered one of their Pro line machines, so it does come with the dust cover for the machine, just like all of their welders, TIG, MIG, everything, stick, anything that's a Pro. This is your adapter. Take your 220 down to 110. This machine absolutely will work fine on 110 volt or your 220 volt, right? Adapter comes with it. Your ground for your piece comes with it. Your airline comes with it. Your plasma torch comes with it. This is a PT60 style torch, I'm 99% sure. So consumables are PT60. You'll need to know that. It does come with a carry strap. The strap hooks onto the top. Let's pull the bag off this thing. Comes with an air regulator, right? So you have your air line. Your air line goes on here. You put an air fitting on, and you go off to your compressor. Everything that you need is right here, all right? So here's the machine. Nice cord. Well built, solid. There's your adapter to go down to 110. Let's go ahead and move these things out of the way. Now, I'm going to come over to you and adjust the camera, let you see the display, just so that I can move through the settings real quick, show you what this thing does. All right. So now that we got power on the machine, we're going to turn it on for the first time. I did real quick hook up the torch. It's actually a really nice torch. Has a trigger guard, so you can't accidentally hit the trigger, being it is a pilot arc. So you flip the trigger guard out of the way, then you can hit the trigger. All right. So you turn her on. She's going to light up. Okay, there we are. We're lit up. Now, lights up by default into cut mode, standard cut mode, right? And if you go through the modes, you have 4 modes. So right here, this is your expanded steel or like trailer mesh, if you will, for like for a ramp on a fold down utility trailer. This right here, this is gouging mode. See how they're gouging into like a fillet weld. This right here is the rust removal mode. And then it returns back to standard cut mode. Now, you have function 2T. 2T is squeeze the trigger and it works, let go of the trigger and it quits. 4T is squeeze the trigger and let go and it works, squeeze the trigger and let go and it quits. This is your post time. Hold on, let me see here. Okay, post arc and post time. So this is the time that the air is going to be flowing after you let off the trigger. So you could have air flowing from 5 to 15 seconds after you release the trigger, and that protects you from burning up the nozzle. Okay. Now this right here, pilot arc, pilot arc. So what this is depending on the mesh and how tight it is, right? If you like, let's say you have that set at 2, but it takes you 2.5 seconds to get from one strand of your mesh to the next, it will end up shutting off in between. You'll have to re-pilot arc. Okay, so what you would want to do, if it was going to take you approximately 2.5-3 seconds, you would want to go into the pilot arc and run that up to maybe 5. And what that will let you do is let you come across your mesh, cut, it'll keep on pilot arc, cut, keep on. Every time it sees a cut, it will reset that 5 seconds. So you can set it up to 10 seconds. So you can be free air blowing out the plasma torch for 10 seconds, which is excessive and probably not the best for your consumables. Air, now this is plugged into 110 volt right now, or 120 volt. You can see that right there in the top corner. I've seen people ask, well, where do I start? I'm new to this. Where do I start with air? ArcCaptain recommends on 110 volt to go ahead and start at 55 PSI under flow. If you're on 240 volt, 60 PSI under flow. When I say under flow, when you have your air compressor hooked up, you hit the air button 2 times. So right now, air by default says PSI. Hit it a second time, MPA. Hit it a third time, you're going to hear a solenoid click inside, and it'll run 2 seconds of airflow to let you see what the air pressure drops. So you'll first adjust your regulator at the back of the machine. If you're looking for 55, set it, 58-ish. Okay, bring it up to 58, and then you go click, and you're going to watch it drop. You want it to drop to 55, 56. If it drops too low, that's okay. Turn it up a couple PSI, 2 clicks. You hear the solenoid, it'll flow. You'll watch what it drops down to, and you make your fine adjustments back here. For 60, same thing. You're going to want to go to maybe 64, 65, flow it, see if you're actually at 60. That's your perfect starting point, right? All right, so we got that out of the way. Now, they have a nice ground that comes with this. This machine, like I said, this is not a price point machine. This is in their premium line. So you have a more premium ground that has the copper strap, and it has soft metal jaws on both sides. Anytime you see a ground that does not have the copper strap, that means it's using the pivot pin to transmit all the current over to the other jaw, if that jaw happens to be the better grounded jaw. So you really want this style right here, and this is what they give you, which is a light duty good clamp. You could buy bigger, badder, heavier clamps, not necessarily needed for a long time with this. They give you a really nice torch. The torch, see here, ArcCaptain. It's a PT60. Probably says that on it. Let me see if I can see that on it. Actually, I don't see it stamped on it, but it's a PT60 consumable set torch. It has a nice trigger guard on it right here. So you flip that trigger guard out of the way. So when you're going to use it, you just push that out, and then you're ready to pull and start doing your plasma cutting, right? Consumables. Let's turn this power off. So this does come with a real nice drag guard on here, and what that means is you can drag this guard on the part as you're cutting, and it'll keep your clearance on your nozzle so that you're not dragging the nozzle on the part and shorting out and destroying the nozzle. Okay, let's unscrew that. Okay, all brass, nice looking nozzle, contact tip, air diffuser, everything's brass, everything's solid. The torch itself feels nice, feels solid. Really nice piece for an extreme value with features that are previously unheard of in this price range. Right now under $400. Gets you gouging, rust removal, plasma, and being able to do grading. The machine is small and light. There's one finger picking it up. I would say it's a little bit more than a gallon of milk. Very modern, very high value machine. Fabulous, actually, at the price point that ArcCaptain is able to get you cutting edge technology into every DIY garage, every hobbyist garage. Light industrial, this machine I'm sure would handle light industrial for quite a while. They're a great company. They have great support, great warranties, easy to get a hold of. You send them an email. They're on the other side of the world, so of course they're going to read your email while you're sleeping, and they'll get back to you, and they make things happen. They also do monitor the official ArcCaptain Facebook page. I'm on there. I've seen guys say, hey, I had this happen, this broke or whatever, and ArcCaptain, I've seen them jump on there and say, we're going to make that right. We're going to go ahead and send you another one. You know, be it small consumable parts, whatever. ArcCaptain's very interested in their reputation, maintaining it, giving you absolute top quality items at a price point that you just can't beat. You can't compete with it. So we're going to get this thing fired up. Right now it's raining and snowing and shit. Well, it's snowing actually, but I'm in Pittsburgh, PA. I don't want to pull the truck out. It's clean. I'm going to pull the truck out, set up my table, and get this thing going this week and show you guys. I think the most important thing, the most interesting thing that you all are going to want to see is probably the rust removal, because most of y'all have an idea what cutting with a torch is or cutting with a plasma cutter is, so that doesn't shock and awe you anymore. But to have this machine at this price point and be able to use it for surface rust removal, that's the added benefit, added feature to this machine that I think sets it apart from most all the competition in the world, and makes this the machine, the CUT55 MP, the machine that you probably want in your garage or shop. So check back with me. I just wanted to get something real quick out, let you guys see it real quick. Check it out. It's bad to the bone. It's compact. It's light. It's feature packed. It's power packed. Can't wait to show you how it works. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And throw a comment, please. Love comments, and I will comment back.